How to play Bully with controller in PC. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, open up your Steam application first and foremost in your device. Make sure that you are logged in. This is if you have installed your Bully via your Steam. Now if you are using your Steam to play a Bully, you need to do your controller configuration. In order to do so, tap on the Steam logo, then head to the Settings option. From the Steam setting, tap on where it says Controller. Now you will see all of this option. Make sure that the toggle on button is switched to the right hand side to enable your Xbox controllers and your PlayStation controller support as well. If it does not work, via your Xbox, at the bottom you should find Xbox Extended Feature Support Driver. This is to support your Xbox, and once you install this external driver, the issue of your Xbox not working will be solved. For the second method, what you actually have to do is you have to connect your controller, whether it is your Xbox or your PS. Then you need to launch your Bully. Once the controller gets recognized automatically, you can check the button layout in the game setting, which will be under Controls. You will find this in the menu setting option. And that is how you'll be able to play a Bully on your PC using your controller. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.